air is essential for a good working environment. We offer a modern air purifier that ensures healthy working conditions for social and health service helpers in their daily work. Social and health service helpers spend their workdays inside people's homes, and here they are often exposed to a harmful indoor environment characterized by lack of ventilation and heavy cigarette smoke. But with a little technology, the environment can become far more healthy for both resident and social and health service helper. The MAC500 air cleaner purifies the air quickly and efficiently without the use of chemicals or filters. Our air cleaner sterilizes the air and removes bacteria, fungi, and odors through the use of a special UVC lamp. The technology behind MAC500 is developed by Jimco and has received the EU Environmental Award. Contact us today to learn more about how you can invest in better working conditions for your employees.